don't meet with General T.Y. Danjuma for Aso Rock. Presido Buhari don't do one coded meeting with General Theophilus Danjuma for Aso Rock. Presido and General Danjuma fit enter presidential dining table for small chop. After the chop, dem come do one coded meeting and dem no talk wetin dem talk about for the meeting. You go remember say one of General Danjuma correct man, Senator Emmanuel Boucha, tell Presido say he don't tell PDP bye-bye and he don't be member of APC.
Last week, I went to see General Danjuma and I told him of my decision to cross over to the APC. We are actually his foot soldiers. And I said to him, I am crossing over. So he wished me well and asked that I should extend his pleasantries because I know the relationship that has existed between you. So for me, it is a homecoming. And I want to assure you, Mr. President, that the story of the party will change in Taraba State.
General Danjuma was a great Nigerian. That's all I can say. He's a great Nigerian. So I'm very pleased you are quite close to him. I told him I have been loyal to him when we were in uniform. The most important thing that he appreciated it and he put it on record. That leads to my success professionally and eventually here. Thank you very much indeed. You are genuinely welcome.
Presido constantly meet with founder of Oriental Energy Resources Limited, Alhaji Mohammed Indimi. Alhaji Indimi contact Presido as he contact commission project for Borno State. Matthew at Jakaye, TMC TV News.